Today we are going to learn about slang. So, do you know these slang words? Lit, salty, sick, flex, and bucks? So, a slang is a fun and informal way of speaking. It's like secret words that people use in everyday conversations, especially young people or friends. And slang words change all the time and can be different in each country. But be careful, slang is casual and not for school, business, or formal situation. So let's start with these words for money. We all love money, right? But in English, we don't just say money. We use words like dough and bucks. For example, I need more dough to buy a new phone. This jacket cost me 50 bucks, $50. Now let's talk about compliments. In normal English, we say something is nice. But in slang, we say it's sick. And no, doesn't mean that I need a doctor. Kind of sick. Alright? So this just means that this is nice. For example, that's a nice car. I can use that's a nice car, or I can use that car is sick. So we can use both ways, okay? But sick sound more casual, more natural, more cooler. Show off. Have you ever met someone who just loves to show off? Like this guy over here? In slang, we say flex. Example here, look at my new bag, I'm so rich. Whoa, stop trying to flex on us. With this channel bag here. For example, you get something really expensive, you want to flex this. For example, with this channel bag over here. When something is really good, we can say it's amazing. Or we just can say it's lit. So lit means something is amazing, incredible. That concert was amazing. That concert was lit. Okay, so it was incredible. And the last slang today. Do you ever get mad when you lose a game? Instead of saying, I'm angry, you can say, I am salty. So I was so angry that I lost. Man, I'm salty about the loss. You express that you're angry. Man, I'm salty about that loss. So a quick recap here. Dough, bucks for money, lit for something incredible, flex when you want to show off, and salty when you are mad about something. Now is your turn. Try using these words in a sentence and drop them in the comments below, okay? I want to hear from you. I want to check all your answers. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun English lesson. See you until next time, and remember please, learning English is always lit. Bye bye.